All right. Could you state your name, please?
Michelle Kathleen Healy.
All right, thank you.
Mhm.
This is regarding case number 2025 CM 12392. This is an allegation of disorderly conduct and criminal damage. What I'd like to do is do an arraignment with you. The disorderly conduct is a class 1 misdemeanor that has a maximum fine of $2,500, 6 months in jail, and or 3 years of probation as a penalty. The criminal damage charge is a class 3 misdemeanor that has a maximum possible fine of $500 plus surcharges, 30 days in jail, and or 1 year of probation. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty for you, and I'm going to assign you a court-appointed attorney at little or no charge to you. I've scheduled you for a pre-trial conference that is held on the 27th of January at 9:30 a.m. So your attorney will be notified of your in custody status, and they'll be representing you on this case plus some of the other priors. Okay, so
Okay.
they'll be representing you in all the other cases as well. A review of your release conditions is obey all orders of the court, do not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately if you obtain an address, do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, do not contact the alleged victim in any manner, and do not go near the location of the alleged offense.
Good.
The $500 bond will remain in place. I'll send you notice of the attorney, their phone number, and the court date and your release order. So you'll have all that information in your property. Do you have any questions?
No. Yeah, yeah. So when do I get out?
Say again?
So when do I get out?
I don't know when you get out, but I'm holding you on the bond till the next court date. So
So the next court date's on the 5th, right?
not the 5th, it's the 27th of January. So if you have another court date, that could be regarding felonies or something else, but I'm just talking specifically on this case.
So I'm in here till the 27th.
Yes, unless you post the $500 bond, correct. And we'll review this every 10 days. So on the 12th, we'll take a look at it and review it again. And then on the 22nd, I'll review it again because when you're in here at a 10-day increments, I do a review of the cases. But yes, so to answer your question, unless you post bond of $500, you will remain in custody until the 27th.
Oh, I thought you said till the 5th.
This,
Last time it was till the 5th.
the 5th for, did I tell you, you think I said that to you today, or is that a different case?
You said that just the last time, this last time I got arrested, you said I was going to be in here until my court date, which was the 4th or 5th.
Well, that might be on other cases, so that
No,
still,
that was on this case.
okay,
It's
on this,
disorderly conduct and,
yeah, so on this case, you were scheduled for today. That's what we're doing now. Okay,
yeah.
so now I've made you aware of the charges, I've made you aware of the penalty ranges, and I entered a not guilty plea from you and assigned you an attorney.
I thought you did that last time.
I did not do that last time on this case, no. You have several cases, so you might be getting them mixed up. That's why I signed you an attorney, because there's several cases that are left undone because you keep getting rearrested, and we can't ever have those cases handled because when you're out of custody, you reoffend. So this time you're not going out of custody unless you post a bond.
Yeah, that's just weird because you told me last time I was out on the 5th. That you're only keeping me till the 5th.
That might have been on another case, not this case.
Which is what? Because
Today's the 2nd, so that could have been.
and the 5th is I had to take your. You told me last time I saw you that you were holding me in custody until January 5th till my next court date.
Okay, well, today's the 2nd, not the 5th, so we're seeing you now on this case because it was scheduled for this date, and typically I would release you because you've been in custody for 10 days, but each time that I've done that, Miss Healy, is you reoffend before the next court date can even happen. So that's been like 4 or 5 different times. So on this time,
Really?
yeah,
I don't see that happening, but whatever.
well,
I go to the court date every time.
well, you can't go to the court date if you get rearrested, and that's happened.
I do go to the court date though, every time.
Okay, you're going to remain in custody until the 27th on a $500 bond. Any questions?
Yeah. So the 5th is when my next court date is, right?
unless it's on the felony side on a different case, that's not what I have in front of me. If you do have court on the 5th, we'll see you on the 5th because you'll still be in custody unless you post bond. If you bond out of custody, then just come to court on the 5th and we'll assign that case.
Okay, so how long am I in here for?
You're held in custody until the 27th. Today's the 2nd.
Till 27th of January?
Correct.
It's so stupid. You said the 5th, whatever, dude. You said the 5th, whatever. That's what you said the 5th, dude.
And then detention staff, who do I send this to?
Oh, you can send it to me, Hartman.
Okay, all right. We'll get it on its way. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You bet.